Hello, my name is Dylan Petsky and I'm an engineer here at Infogressive. I'm here today to talk about keyloggers, what they are, what they do, and how you can prevent from getting one. Starting off, keyloggers are typically malicious software that gets installed on your computer. You can get them from opening a bad email, from downloading a malicious file from a website, or maybe you plugged in a friend's flash drive and you just wanted to transfer a few files. What does a keylogger actually do? Well, it does is just as the name implies. It logs every key that you type on your keyboard. So why would an attacker want to do this? Well, their goal is to find the websites you go to. Chances are you'll go to your bank account website, you'll type in the username, you'll type in the password, you may even answer a security question that they now have access to. This grants the attacker complete access to your bank account where they can make any malicious changes or money transfers. So obviously these things are bad, so what can you do to prevent from getting one? You can use AMP, an advanced malware protection tool, or you can just avoid plugging in devices that don't belong to you. Change your passwords often, and always keep your antivirus, signatures, databases, and scanning agents up to date. These are all great ways to prevent from becoming a victim of a keylogger. Visit infogressive.com for more information about cybersecurity and follow our social media platforms for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.